Welcome to another video. Today we are doing fidgets and showing you most of my fidgets. Here's my first one. He is a jumbo panda. Just saying, he's not that jumbo, but on the advertisement he said he is jumbo. So here we go. We have that. We'll put that over there. Right there. That's Roman over there. Then we have two mesh balls. They are a little hard to squeeze, but once you get used to them, they squeeze perfectly. We have the, I think this was like a zombie one, and then the pearl one. Next, we have what everyone wants, a poppet. This is the quiet side. And this is the loud side. And there we go. It is rainbow, and it is normal size. Next up, we have a fidget cube. I would definitely recommend this one. It's not a real fidget cube. It was only $6, but still has almost everything. So yeah. Okay, and next we have this. I don't think lots of people call this a fidget, but I like it, so we have it in our fidget bin. Next we have monkey noodles. You guys like every monkey noodle, they're good. I like them. We have two textured monkey noodles. Then we got this squishy pat, we call it. We got fries, a burger, a hot dog, and a cupcake. Next we have a Rubik's Cube, which I cannot solve, so yeah, that's my Rubik's Cube. Then we have a needle. So yeah. Then we have a puzzle ball, which you just have to solve a puzzle with it. Okay. Then we have, last but not least, oh wait, there's actually a couple more things. We have these 3 mochis. And then we have this splat ball. It's tomato. Throw it over there. And then we have a bunch of just random squishies here. Okay, there goes. And here's all our options. Make sure to like and subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. See you all next time. Bye-bye. Guys, remember, if you hey, back it up. If you want a free happy day, make sure to subscribe or bad luck will come. Bad. But if you subscribe, you're good. Your day will be better. Bye.